What day is it, babe?
Sunday, November.
But what day of the storm? 6?
Yeah.
So Monday, day 6. Finally starting repair in Dayton. They cleared the road a little bit. That's a street, really. You know, it's full of sand, but they plowed the road. As you can see, everything else, still no power. Nothing over here. Cell reception was restored yesterday, last night, which is good, but no power, no hot water, no nothing. Water's restored.
Red Cross just dropped off some sandwiches. You
Red
don't know how they
Cross.
are yet.
Red Cross just dropped off some sandwiches in the lobby. And word is, there's generators here, but I don't know what that's supposed to mean. I think it's more to light up the building hallways and staircases. But it's pitch black inside. Stay tuned for tomorrow.